Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new home on the Google Home application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the plus icon once you are at your home page that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this plus icon, scroll down and click on this create new home button. Then you should tap on the home nickname box in the middle of the screen and type in the nickname of your home. Then click on the button next. After that you should add your home address including your country, then your town and city address line. So type in your address, postcode, click on the button next down below in the right side corner of the screen. So here you can add devices to your home. You can also set up household contacts by clicking on this button at the top of the screen. Here you can add the person. And basically that's it. Your home has been created, so you will be able to find it at the top of the screen, and you have the chance to set up other homes as well, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.